All right, what's going on, Tycoon? Super excited for today's video. We're going to be looking at the Phantom token, the FTM slash USDT pair. Okay, and we're going to talk about why it's falling a little bit and should you need to be worried. Okay, so first off, as you can see from this point here all the way up to here, okay, it was a massive run up. All right, but if you notice on the RSI, um, we have some bearish divergence. Okay, guys. So bearish divergence is when the stock price action goes up, and then the RSI basically goes down. Okay, so you have higher high on the stock price, lower high on the RSI. Okay, so here's our high, lower high, and then we have a drop. Okay, so a high, higher high, and then we have a drop. All right. So long term, we have a little bit longer of some bearish divergence from here to here. Okay, so basically from here to its most recent lows, the stock has still gone up and created higher highs, right? But the RSI has gone down. Okay, so we could see some more drops on this one. Definitely be cautious of that. Okay, we have a left shoulder, we have a head, and we just need a right shoulder for us to drop further. That's if you're bearish. Okay, that's a bear case scenario. And if you're bullish, here's my fib levels. Okay, so we bounced off the 0.236 really well, and we're kind of just hovering right here in between these. Okay, so in my opinion, once we break out past the 1 on the fib level, okay, then we'll come up here to the 1.618, and you can probably take profit there. But you need to see the candlesticks open and close above the 1 on the fibs. Okay, so if you're not in any FTM right now, I would wait a little bit and see what the price action does you. Okay, so if you get a break above here on the 1 on the fibs, you can look to enter, okay, and possibly take profit at the 1.618. All right, and if we break past here, there's a potential we could make all new all-time highs. Okay, so if we have a strong breakout past the 1.618, and we hit our 2.618, that'll create new all-time highs. Okay, so that's our bullish case scenarios. All right, so if you guys are bullish and you're already in it, all right, I'd look for, I'd be cautious basically if we break this neckline right here at 1.53 area. If we get below there, there is potential that we could drop all the way back down to 0.3094. Okay, right around that area, point 0.3, 0.4 area. Now, do I think that will happen? No, I'm pretty bullish. However, when trading, it's good to be emotionless and not have any bias. Okay, you have to read the charts, let the charts do the price action, let the charts tell you what's going on. And so what the chart is telling me right now is we possibly have a head and shoulders. Um, and if we are going to be bullish, these are the fib levels that I want to hit for bullishness. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you like this quick breakdown, just trying to give you guys a quick update on FTM and why it's kind of been dropping a little bit, and if it could drop further or if it can go higher. Okay, so if you have any other crypto coins you guys want me to analyze, any stocks or tickers you guys want me to look at and make a video on, I'll be happy to do that for you guys. Just leave a comment down below. And also, if you want to join the Options Trading Tycoons Discord, you can use code Zachly, like the channel name ZachlyTrades, and get yourself a discount on the membership. The link to join will be in the description below. Okay, so thanks again. I'm out. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.